What's up, everybody? Moe Betta BBQ in the house. Mr. Pull up on me. Catered a whole meal for a family today, y'all. They ain't feel like cooking. They said, let's go to Moe Betta. Moe Betta put them in the game, y'all. We got some stewed ribs with potatoes, homemade cornbread. You know Moe Betta specializes in macaroni and cheese. It's the cheesiest. Got some cabbage and carrots, sauteed to perfection. Good old white rice. You know what to do. Holla at your boy. Moe Betta gonna put you in the game. Mr. Pull up on me. Peace.